Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy crypto on Transak. So to get started with a quick guide, first thing to do is to go to global.transak.com and select the buy option. Then from there you have to choose the fiat currency and the amount. Then from there you have to select your local currency, which can be in Nigeria currency or USD, which is the dollar, or the euro. Then enter the amount you wish to spend. Then after that, select the crypto and the network. So choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase together with the with the network. You can pick from the appropriate blockchain network, which is the Ethereum blockchain or the Smart or Binance Smart Chain. Then after that, you have to input the wallet address where you want the crypto to be delivered. Ensure the wallet supports the selected cryptocurrency and network. Then after that, you have to choose the payment method. So you have to select the payment method. For example, you can select credit/credit card, bank transfer, Apple Pay or Google Pay. Available option may vary based on your location, and select a fiat currency. Then provide the necessary identification document and your personal information as required. This step ensure compliance with a regulatory standard. Then after that, double check all details, which is the fiat amount, the crypto amount, wallet address, and the fee. Then confirm the transaction. Then you can also follow the on-screen instruction to complete the payment using the chosen method. And after that, once the payment is processed and verified, the crypto will be sent to your provided wallet address. Then the processing time may vary based on payment method and the network conjunction. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section if it actually helps you, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks.